Public administration is nothing but the study of main material method, that is PCMC Queen. Science is of administration is the latest root of the study of the science, that is Woodrow Wilson. Public administration and the private administration are not different. Internal financial control. Which one of the following is the attempt to the construct theory of the public organization in tune with the consumer interest? Public choice theory. The Monroe Conference third was the importance of collaborative government, and there is a need to find the way of the institutionalized coordination and to establish the decision making process that work multi-organization setting. Administrative management closer to, that is both consider organization as a unit of environment. That's not true. Both express more concern for the organization and men both hold the economic efficiency and the concern of administration than the production worker. Which is following is what the French civils are not correct. The civil servant who accept a minister portfolio also cannot return to their corps if they must leave their high office. That's not true. International Bank for Reconstruction is defined 1,000 to 10,000 per capita income. Next is which is following statement is not correct about British administration. All ministry are member of the House of Commons. That's not true about the British government. Which is following is not the fast stream scheme designed for the specialist and other group civil servant in the British civil service, that is national stream is not there. Which is following US civil service are correct. So the merit system expanded steadily to almost all the federal employees. That's not true about the US. Spoil system began to the eroded enactment of civil service, and the overwhelming proportion of the bureaucrats are career development skill are represented to the federal work. Juran is father of quality management, Drucker is a social ecologist, and Edward Deming is the father of total quality, and the Fayol is the founding of the management process. Which is the following deal with the intent to challenge for the motivation, that is principal agent theory. Which is following is the basic premise new public management, that is more flexible and open government is new public management. Max Weber internal accountability. Public choice theory is capitalism efficiency economy. Public choice self-serving new public management efficiency economy effectiveness. So the source is there, then after then there is an encoder, then will be the message channel, then will be the decoder, then will be the receiver, then last will be the feedback, and last noise. Consider following characters behavioral approach. The root of the behavioral approach can be traced back to the Taylor experiment, so that's not true. Rest are true. Which is following 14 principle animal Henry Fayol, that is control is not the one of the principle, order, authority, responsibility, and the subordinate interest to the general interest. Trait theory, leader possesses certain innate characteristics. Skill theory, leadership is centered on human capital. Style theory, that was the task oriented and the relationship oriented, and the situational leadership must alter leadership based on. Annual performance agreement should be signed between the department, ministry, and the ministry department, that is second ARC. The research study intended to test a hypothesis suggesting a causal relationship. Experimental, select the following scientific method for the science never impose anything. Ethical neutrality is there for the aim nothing but making true and adequate statement about its object. Next one is the judicial activism is the growth avenue for the lesson grievances and the citizen and approaching to the law for the administrative excesses and inefficiency. In which of the right to information inherent right to freedom, that is Rajnarayan state of UP. Who is the following PMO, principal secretary to the prime minister. Which is following committee commission will recommend to the change in the financial year, that is LK Jha committee. Which is following not function of the Central Vigilance Commission to guide the Central Bureau of Investigation is not the function of that. Juvenile Justice 2000 में आएगा. Annual performance agreement should be signed between the department, ministry, and the Ministry of Detailing or the who are during the financial year. Second ARC Reform Commission. And next is exoprismatic impetus from outside, endoprismatic, that was the inside. Ortho is for the semi-diffracted, and the diffracted is congruence for the aspiration of reality. Mayor and council cabinet form of government at the municipal level. Who is following book title Development Administration, that is Widner. Next is second report, 10th report refurbishing personnel, 11th report for the smart way of the government, 12th report citizen centric administration. Now next one is to deal with the trade negotiation and to comprises 188 country in the WTO. That's not true. Which is following are the International Monetary Fund 1945 में आया था. It aimed to build a framework for the economic cooperation, resolve the trading dispute. That's not true. But it present 188 मेंबर हैं किसके IMF के. Now there should be a decentralized training institution, gazetted officer, district level, all India level. That is not the recommended second ARC for the training of civil servant. Which is following not true about public account committee. The committee examined the draft of financial legislature. That's not true, but it's examined the report of KEG statement account showing the income expenditure state corporation, and the committee does not function as a repriming punitive authority. Which is following sampling design is for the development type of cluster sampling, that is multi-stage sampling. Which is condition considered conducive for formulating the research problem. That was conducive experience survey. That's not true. Observation, literature and topic. Which is following is a probability sampling. Cluster sampling is a probability sampling. Convenience judgment quota is not non-probability. CPSC and the post globalization is the not correct. So investment in human capital is a low priority in all public sector enterprises. That is not correct about CPSC. Village Panchayat accountable to which of following? That is Gram Sabha. Navratna status can be elevated to the Maharatna if 1, 2 and 4 it has earned net profit 2500 crore. That's not true. Which is following year Bombay Municipal Corporation was set up 1726. Arrange the following. So first will be the Balwant Rai Mehta committee, then will be the GVK Rao committee, then will be the study of team Panchayati Raj finance committee, last Ashok Mehta committee. Arunachal Pradesh's functionary have not been transferred. Assam official continue to report on department. Chhattisgarh PRI do not have the control, and Uttar Pradesh Panchayat make the recruitment for 9 departments. Which of the Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Yojana is capacity building for elected representative of the Panchayati Raj institution? Which one of the following state has been ranked first devolution index? That is Kerala. Which is following not enlisted to the Panchayati Act? That is Uttarakhand is not in that for the panchayats. Who among the following express the new public management is the dead long life digital era? That is Patrick Dunleavy. Next is the definition of the public administration is as a socially embedded process. Third Minerva concept केडर ने दिया था. That is public administration developing discipline. Gornbesky public and public affair. Nicholas Henry, that is that. Gornbesky ने दिया था dynamics public administration. Negro और Negron दिया था modern public administration. Dwight Waldo called new public administration as the new romanticism. Deliberative democracy. Third Minerva conference में consider following about the correct code. So 1, 3 and 4. Line agency has no power to order and control. That's not true. Line agency has the power of order and control. Virtual organization is small core organization that outsource major business function. That is virtual organization. The confer authority from one executive or organization unit to another is called the delegation. Now the graphic story explaining different aspect of supervision. That is Williamson ने कहा था ऐसा. The issue of decentralization is more complex in the concept and practice than that generally acknowledged. That is the Fessler ने कहा था decentralization. Field establishment are controlled by the headquarters through which of the following method: reporting, audit, inspection and investigation. Who among the following was the chief proponent of post bureaucratic theory? That is Warren Bennis. जो था वही था. ठीक है. Warren Bennis was the post bureaucratic. Which is not correct about the system approach. It assumes that the organization are not changing in order to respond effectively to environment and interorganizational change. That was okay. Which is following book is not written by Chester Bernard. The function of executive and organization management element of the condition of business model and the practice of management is not written by him. The not a criticism of the trade union. It would increase the unemployment. That's not true. Consider Amidjai and Gioni. It's a utilitarian normatism and the coercive is not there. Which is leadership style according to the Linkard express that leader is total faith in people. That is participative style. Forces of people and the production orientation is used management grade theory में इसको यूज़ किया गया है. Now Simon zone of acceptance है. Fayol जो है स्केलर चेन है. Bernard zone of indifference, governance, span of attention. कोटिल्य जो था इसने एडिकेट एजुकेशन की बात की, राइटियरनेस की बात की, अंदर फिजिकल कैपेसिटी की बात नहीं की, गुड रिलेशनशिप की बात की. विच इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ हाउथोन फर्स्ट इंक्वायरी पार्ट नहीं है. विच इज़ नॉट ए वे ऑफ रिजॉल्विंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लीगल मेथड नहीं होते हैं. कंप्रोमाइज, सोल्यूशन, इंटीग्रेशन. Who amongst the following advocated information energy model? Dorsenne collects allied group who used traditional clouds to win the election. Government United States was debarred from the infringing the right to keep the beer arm by which of the following amendment? Second Amendment. The British Prime Minister does not recommend the appointment of the First Lord of the Treasury. Citizen Charter standards information choice and consultation courtesy and the value of the money. The term Fourth Republic of the French history referred to the 1946 to 58. Development administration is the concern with the maximum innovation development, that was Edward Widner. The key to formula development administration expressed later via Pfeiffer. Which of the following committee is the recommendation for the authority to state civil society at the central state level? Second ARC. Which is following institution organization advanced the professional program public administration Indian Institute of Public and New Delhi? And among the following Zonal Council of India Union Home Minister. Next, good governance and digital government is interrelated and people area have no access to the e-governance due to lack of appropriate technology. Additional function can be assigned to UPSC by the amending and no reference are needed to the UPSC on the issue of the reservation OBC. Bureaucratic administration fundamentally means to reject administration bureaucracy exercise control on the basis for the knowledge. Successful employee-employee relationships involve the striking a balance of interest. For the employee, industrial relation is about making the profit for its stakeholder, and employee it is security based for the standard. The central social welfare boards are the awareness about the challenges, and the voluntary section have assessed the fund function under the direct supervision of the board of chairman. That's not true. Which is following main criteria for the chief minister? Seniority, service records, approval of governor is not there, confidence of CM is there. Which is the following CAG in India? That's all of other authority and the bodies nominally financed from the union or state government. That was the CAG in India, not in the CAG in India. Okay? So that is bodies nominally financed by the union state. Which is following most important cabinet committee in India? That is political affair committee, जो है सबसे important है. Which is not really oriented to tackle the bureaucratization, that is proliferation of political party. Department of Border Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, Khadi and Village Industry, that was the Ministry of Personnel. Central Vigilance Commission, Ministry of Home Affairs, Animal वाला Social Welfare and Registrar वाला है क्या? Which is following statement about the role of cabinet is not correct. It is the executor of policy. That's not correct about the policy. Next one is the Fulton Committee, that was the gifted administrative reform general purpose committee. Robert Prisoners compelling the inadequacy and Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the following is not a recommendation of second ARC for issue of annual performance agreement. The detail of results of the assessment should be presented to the Prime Minister. That's not true about the reform of second ARC. Consider the grander budget theory and select the following. First is to offer the ML feature, then redistributive aspect, then take into for the account economic variable and norms and values permeates the budget process. That's not true. Adoption of a performance audit system recommended by which of the following finance? That is 12th. Which is following is the Carl Pearson, the very lifeblood of science, that is criticism. An optimal sample is one which fulfill the requirement. Definitiveness is not there. Representativeness, reliability and efficiency. Definiteness is not there. Which is following statement about the hypothesis are correct as the conceptually clear होना चाहिए, related to the body of theory, empirically testable होना चाहिए, grande scope नहीं होना चाहिए. Next is following the collector is vested the power under the various central. Its time calamities of collector supremacy no longer prevail. That's not true. The emergence of the several technical department of district level has reduced by collector, and the collector role rural development affect this relationship of Jila Parishad. Second ARC is what? District officer magistrate as the state government recommendation of district council. That's not true. The term third word is what? That is French writer Alfred Survey, leader of the non-aligned movement, and the Mao Zedong theory, and African Asian country will not be there. Statement about public sector is what? That is human resource management is given top priority in the public service. That's not true. Which is following Navratna, elected Maharatna, Steel Authority. Public sector is transformation, competitiveness, sustainability, overly centralized organization. Which is following about the socially policy approach is not correct. It encompasses voluntary effort also. That's not true about the social policy. Second ARC integrated government structure district level is from the district council having both urban rural, which is following not the correct about the centrally sponsored scheme. They were initially introduced in the year 81-82. That's not true. Which is following was the 50% reservation, that is West Bengal. Urban Reform Incentive Fund was there. It is a part of the technical guide, and this will be the project to start 2010% total budget. इंट्रोडक्शन डबल एंट्री, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. एंड टेक्निकल गाइडेंस भी दिया जाएगा मेंटेनेंस के लिए, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. The paradigm of the LPG new public management approach, bureaucratic expansion will not be the reliance of the public choice and rejection of administrative state. Many roles of the government expected to play role of regulator, service provider, agent and welfare agent. Consider the Mahila Shakti Abhiyan. It facilitated user their collective strength, provide a forum for continued training of women, enable the women panchayats leader and communication administrative skill built to the women. Now next, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लिंडोम कंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम है, इंटेलिजेंस भी है, पावर नहीं है, पॉलिटिक्स का भी है. डोर जो है मिक्स स्कैनिंग मॉडल मुझे जियोनी ने दिया था. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज द मीट द एजुकेशनल ट्रेनिंग नीड्स. सर दोराबजी टाटा, ग्रेजुएट स्कूल ऑफ सोशल वर्क. सोशल डेवलपमेंट में हमें क्या करना है, फोकस ऑन द एजुकेशनल डेवलपमेंट, एम्फेसाइज प्लान इंटरवेंशन, इंक्लूसिव, यूनिवर्सलिस्टिक एंड हार्मोनाइज सोशल इंटरवेंशन. Who said the welfare of the people is higher law, that is Hobbes ने कहा था ऐसा. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग अब सर्व शिक्षा अभियान 86 अमेंडमेंट में 6 to 12 ने 6 to 14 आया था. एंड अभियान प्रोग्राम इज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन. बोर्ड ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंशियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डील विद द मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ द परफॉर्मेंस CPSC. आर्म्स एंड द एमिलिएशन मिनरल मिनिंग जिंक एंड द ट्रांसपोर्ट, ये सारे आएंगे इसमें. देन द कैश बेस्ड अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम जो था, it's said efficient and transparency and the user friendliness that cannot be utilized the effective tool for this system. Past transactions relating to the asset liability are integral part of account. That's not the decision maker able to look ahead for this program. That's not true. Now who is the following chairperson of expert group for decentralized planning of grassroots level? That is the Ramachandran था. ठीक है, सो रामचंद्रन था.